In Decred's blockchain, signature script isolation separates witness data, preventing malleability, enhancing security, enabling fraud proofs via Merkle trees, and boosting reliability for its hybrid consensus. Here's how it works. The raw transaction in hexadecimal format includes everything needed to reconstruct the transaction: the inputs, outputs, amounts, scripts, signatures, and it's what block explorers display when you look up a transaction. At the end of the process is the transaction hash, or TXID. This serves as a deterministic cryptographic fingerprint, an unbreakable link back to the transaction, enabling verifiability. Because it's based on the immutable transaction data, it reliably ties every node and explorer to the same underlying content. Before the transaction ID is computed or hashed, we remove the witness or input script data from the original raw transaction. To clarify, Decred omits this data before calculating the transaction ID. Only a stripped version is hashed. Witness data remains in the original raw transaction and is included in a separate commitment via the block's Merkle tree. Fraud proofs are also committed through that structure. The exclusion of witness data yields several technical benefits. Prevent transaction malleability. By removing signatures from the transaction ID calculation, Decred eliminates the risk of third parties altering a transaction's identifier by changing how a signature is encoded. Using this method, transaction IDs have become more stable, making transaction tracking far more reliable. The TXID is derived only from immutable fields such as inputs, outputs, and amounts, ensuring that once broadcast, it cannot be manipulated. This immutability is crucial for wallets, explorers, payment processors, contracts, payment channels, and any mechanism that relies on pre-signed transactions. Enhanced security through fraud-proof integration. While excluded from the transaction ID, witness data is still cryptographically bound to the block through a dedicated Merkle tree. Any attempt to alter it breaks the block hash and is immediately invalid. Decred also integrates fraud proofs into this structure, allowing lightweight clients to verify transactions without downloading the full blockchain. This ensures mobile wallets and light nodes can securely detect invalid or malicious blocks. Historically, Decred was one of the earliest blockchains to adopt this design. It was also the first blockchain to launch with signature script isolation, SegWit, built in from the start. This early integration showcased forward-thinking design to address malleability and efficiency proactively.